Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we are diving into the absolute best Amazon finds for luxury living on a budget. We are talking about incredible modern furniture, designer-look light fixtures, and chic home decor that will elevate every room in your house. These pieces are all about style, functionality, and getting that high-end look without the high-end price tag. Don't forget, the links to all products are in the description below. You can check them out easily. Let's get started. Black Gold Sputnik Chandelier. This is the Black Gold Sputnik Chandelier. This bold fixture is the centerpiece your dining room or kitchen island has been waiting for. It features a striking 10-light mid-century modern design in a sophisticated black and gold finish. The height is fully adjustable, allowing you to customize its look perfectly for your space. This stunning light instantly elevates any room, making a contemporary statement that is both functional and dramatic. The benefit is transforming your home's ambiance with a single, eye-catching piece that looks far more expensive than it is. Faux silk flowers with vase. This is the faux silk flowers with vase. Add effortless greenery and elegance to any table with this beautiful, maintenance-free arrangement. It features high-quality artificial silk flowers, realistic eucalyptus, and willow branches, all set permanently in a tasteful ceramic vase. This arrangement is perfect for dining table centerpieces, coffee table decor, or farmhouse kitchen accents. The best feature is the realistic look without any need for watering or care. The benefit is adding a touch of natural beauty and color that lasts forever, instantly brightening up your living space. LED Wide Chest Dresser. This is the LED Wide Chest Dresser. This versatile large storage unit is a total game changer for the bedroom, living room, or hallway. It features 6 deep drawers for massive storage capacity, plus 2 convenient pull-out trays perfect for charging phones or storing remotes. A key feature is the integrated LED lighting, which creates a modern, ambient glow. The benefit is comprehensive storage and style. It can serve as a modern TV stand, a bedroom dresser, and an attractive illuminated focal point all at once. Folding Storage Ottoman Bench. This is the Folding Storage Ottoman Bench. This incredibly versatile piece combines seating, storage, and style in one compact design. It features a sturdy, folding frame covered in elegant faux leather and a padded lid that lifts to reveal generous storage space inside. The ottoman is lightweight, yet strong enough to be used as a footrest, extra seat, or bench. The main benefit is dual functionality. You instantly declutter your space by hiding blankets or magazines, while gaining comfortable seating. Small Pedestal Martini Table. This is the Small Pedestal Martini Table. This slim, elegant side table is perfect for those awkward small spaces where a regular end table won't fit. It features a carved round tabletop and a weighted base for stability, making it ideal for holding a drink, a book, or a small lamp. Its minimal footprint allows it to tuck easily next to a sofa or accent chair. The benefit is convenient accessibility for essentials without taking up much-needed floor space, adding a touch of sophistication to a corner. Vintage Amber Banker's Lamp. This is the Vintage Amber Banker's Lamp. Bring a classic, timeless look to your desk, library, or piano with this iconic light fixture. It features a stunning amber glass shade paired with a retro black and gold finish on the base. The light is controlled by a traditional pull chain switch for that authentic vintage feel. The benefit is directional, warm, and focused lighting for reading or working. This lamp adds an immediate sense of nostalgia and elegance, enhancing the decor of any traditional or vintage-themed room. Mid-century Faux Leather Sofa. This is the mid-century faux leather sofa. This stylish 3-seater couch is the perfect blend of modern aesthetics and comfortable living. It features breathable faux leather and plush, upholstered cushions with included throw pillows for a cozy feel. The mid-century design with its clean lines and tapered legs gives it an attractive, timeless appeal for any living room or office. The benefit is durable, comfortable, and sophisticated seating. It offers a premium look and feel without the high maintenance of real leather. Arc Floor Lamp with Marble Base. This is the Arc Floor Lamp with Marble Base. This towering lamp is an architectural statement piece that provides light over a sitting area without needing a ceiling fixture. It features a dramatically arched arm ending in a chrome bell shade, anchored by a heavy faux white marble base for stability. The lamp's height and reach make it ideal for illuminating a sofa or reading chair. The benefit is sophisticated overhead lighting without permanent installation, perfect for modern living rooms and open-plan offices. 3-globe modern floor lamp. This is the 3-globe modern floor lamp. This gold-standing lamp brings a touch of vintage retro elegance and excellent illumination to your space. It features 3 frosted glass globes supported by an antique brass frame, giving it a unique, warm look. The lamp comes with energy-efficient LED bulbs included, ready to brighten your room immediately. The benefit is multi-directional warm lighting that serves as both a functional lamp and a stunning piece of modern art for your bedroom or office. Round green marble coffee table. This is the round green marble coffee table. This exquisite table is a glamorous focal point for your living room. It features a luxurious green faux marble top that is both visually stunning and easy to clean. The circular shape is ideal for smaller spaces, promoting easy movement around the room. The benefit is instant, high-end visual appeal. The beautiful marble top offers a durable and stylish surface for drinks, books, and decorations, elevating your entire seating area. Velvet upholstered platform bed. This is the velvet upholstered platform bed. Create a cozy and luxurious bedroom retreat with this beautiful full-size bed frame. It features soft velvet upholstery and a sophisticated vertical channel tufted headboard. The design is built with strong wooden slats, eliminating the need for a box spring while providing stable support. The benefit is transforming your bedroom into a designer space with a plush, high-impact headboard, giving you both comfort and elevated style. Outdoor solar Lotus lights. This is the outdoor solar Lotus lights. Easily add a magical glow to your patio, garden, or walkway with these charming solar-powered lights. They feature a beautiful crackle glass globe nestled within a decorative metal lotus flower design. They are waterproof and cordless, charging all day and automatically lighting up at night. The benefit is hassle-free, beautiful outdoor illumination. They create a serene, decorative ambiance for your lawn, garden, or outdoor tables. Panel coffee table. This is the folding panel coffee table. This all-black modern coffee table is designed for maximum function and versatility in living rooms of any size. It features a unique top with 2 folding panels that can be extended for more surface area and a 2-tier design with spacious storage underneath. The benefit is incredible adaptability. It serves as a compact center table daily, but can easily be expanded when you need extra room for food or games. Modern circle hole vases. This is the modern circle hole vases. These beautiful ceramic vases are pure modern art, perfect for adding an abstract touch to your shelving or mantel. They feature a minimalist hollow ellipse design in a crisp white and gold finish. They are perfect for small flower arrangements or simply as striking decorative pieces on their own. The benefit is instantly adding a sculptural, contemporary flair to any surface, enhancing your home's modern aesthetic. Farmhouse candle chandelier. This is the Farmhouse candle chandelier. Bring rustic charm and industrial flair to your dining room or entryway with this striking light fixture. It features 6 exposed light sockets resembling antique candles, framed by a simple rustic metal structure. The design adds a warm, inviting glow that is perfect for over a large table or in a foyer. The benefit is a dramatic, vintage industrial style that provides ample light and becomes a stunning conversation starter in your home. Dimmable touch control lamps. This is the dimmable touch control lamps set of 2. These modern nightstand lamps are the ultimate blend of convenience and style for your bedroom or living room. They feature 3-way dimmable touch control. Just tap the base to adjust the light. Crucially, they include 2 built-in USB charging ports, perfect for your devices. The benefit is streamlined bedside convenience. You get perfect lighting, simple controls, and device charging all in one elegant package. Modern crystal wall sconces. This is the modern crystal wall sconces set of 2. Add a touch of luxury and sparkle to your bathroom, hallway, or bedroom with these dimmable wall lights. They feature a modern black finish frame adorned with brilliant crystal accents, creating a stunning light effect. They function perfectly as dimmable bathroom vanity lights or sophisticated bedroom accents. The benefit is combining modern simplicity with glamorous crystal detail, providing beautiful, functional lighting that instantly elevates the look of any wall.